a winter wonderland. Need a pair of ice skates right here. Oh great, we got another car coming up the road. Please get over a little bit. Yeah, it's slick. It's slick. Where they came from, but they got up it pretty good, it looked like, but it's very slick. Not a bit of road showing. This is Mesa Grande Drive, Fort Worth, Texas. Not a bit of road showing. Not one bit of thaw in it, don't look like. This is a preserved winter wonderland back here. Pair of ice skates when you get off White Summit Road, which wasn't very good in its own light. Hey, gate's open. All right. Right, rolling through the gate. Yeah, solid ice. There's the brakes. Look how they stop. Okay. Hey, transmission shop. People made it. Good, here I get